structure. Of course, you have a lot of stakeholders. You have the stock market or your owners, and you have the employees. But we see that they're moving in the same direction. But I would say that the client for us also has a client, and in the end, it's the citizen. So if you're not aligned with what the citizen wants, and we have the rule book for that, then it won't work.
For the businesses to be more sustainable and for companies to be able to use the sustainable goals more as tools, like you said, do you think there would be a need for new regulation and legislation?
Definitely. I think that if you realize what this agenda means, it's a total shift of society, and we need the governments and the local authorities to align with that. Otherwise, our strategy falls in a way. You can see that you can find a lot of business cases where this is profitable anyway, but to some extent it's not if we don't all pull in the same direction. So in a way we're looking for, especially in the national agenda, to really pick those ones up and align accordingly.
Can you give some good examples?
When it comes to city planning, of course, you need a longer perspective on investments. It's hard to have this shift where we have one set of rules 4 years and then another set of rules the next 4 years. And we really need to have long-term overarching goals that everyone can agree on, that we won't change the next term. So in a sense, we see that happens in energy, we see it happens in climate with the climate legislation, but I haven't seen it on the full scale. So broadening up to the full sustainability agenda would be really good.